Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing 4th of July hairstyles. Super simple, super easy, 5 minutes. Whether you're going to the beach, you're going on a boat, you're hanging out with friends, these are hairstyles that you can do in no time. I'm not gonna lie, I went a little crazy with the glitter. It became blush at some point, so you've been warned. Sometimes you just get bit by the glitter bug and you just have to do it. You just have to full send. It has been 2 years since I've posted a long form video, so I'm so excited to be coming back, doing more longer, in-depth tutorials, but again, easy hairstyles that you can do. I now have a tiny mic, so we're serious. So hit subscribe, follow along, and let's get started. Okay, before we start on hairstyles, I'm gonna prep my hair, and this is optional. You definitely don't have to do this if you don't want to. I do, because I'm working with 3-day-old hair here. I'm gonna be using my 1.5-inch barrel extra large curling iron from Babyliss Pro. This is perfect if you have longer hair and want to do your hair faster. Leave a comment if you want me to do a more in-depth tutorial on curling your hair. This seems to be a pain point for a lot of women, so happy to do a separate video on this. I'm gonna use some hairspray, then comb out my curls using a large tooth comb. So now my hair is prepped, ready for my hairstyles. First hairstyle is a half up, half down, and you'll need a hair tie and a scarf. When I'm doing a half up, half down, I start with my thumbs right above my ears, and then I go at a diagonal, kind of scooping up all that hair that's in my path. Tie that off with a hair elastic. Then you're gonna create some space between the hair elastic and your head. Now flip your hair up into the hole to create a topsy tail. If you're having any issues with your ponytail separating and kind of showing that hair elastic, start taking small sections of the ponytail, lift them up and back comb underneath. This is really gonna help create some volume and help the hair not separate. Now take a scarf of your choosing, fold it into a triangle, then take the longest part of the scarf and start folding it down so you get that long, slender scarf. Now tie a knot around the elastic and you're gonna get a really pretty voluminous half up, half down hairstyle. Time for a quick change and we're going on to hairstyle number 2. This is gonna be a bubble braid and you're gonna need multiple elastics depending on the length of your hair. So put your hair into a ponytail. If you're dealing with any frizz or flyaways, I recommend using a smoothing cream. Secure your ponytail in a spot that you want, low, high, doesn't matter for this one. Then start working down your ponytail, securing an elastic about 2 to 3 inches apart. Once you secure an elastic, gently start pulling your hair apart to create that bubble effect. And go slow because you always can pull a little bit more, you can't put it back. And you're gonna do this all the way down your ponytail. Of course, this is a 4th of July hairstyle video, so I use these tiny little red elastics from Amazon and these cute little red bows also from Amazon. And this is hairstyle number 2. Time for hairstyle number 3. So this is a braid hairstyle and I am not good at braids. So if I'm showing you a braid hairstyle, it has to be so super simple. First, you're gonna make your part. And if you're like me and have a widow's peak, you know the struggle. I can never get a straight part, but just try your best here. The key to braids is you have to braid in the direction that you want the braid to lay. So I want these braids to lay flat against my hairline. So I'm gonna braid down. Do this on both sides. Then bring all your hair up off your neck so you can wrap both braids together underneath and secure with a hair elastic. Now this is where I went a little crazy. I opened up my new glitter stick. That is the simple hairstyle. Perfect if you want your hair down, but out of your face. Let's go to hairstyle number 4. But before we do that, I need to talk about this top. H&M is having a moment right now. So if you're looking for good summer tops, highly recommend. This hairstyle is probably my favorite out of the 5. You're gonna make 2 ponytails in the back, but don't pull your hair all the way through. You want to leave a little nub. Now take your nubs and fan them out and bobby pin the sides to the back of your head. Now take any leftover hair you have and loop it back into the hair elastic. And you can use more bobby pins here if you really want to secure this. Add some glitter if you love glitter like me. I also added some bows here. Really go crazy, dress it up. I love this hairstyle so much and you're definitely gonna get so many compliments on this one. Final hairstyle is a low ponytail and we're gonna bring back the topsy tail. So put your hair in a half up, half down. You know the drill, start at your ears and draw a diagonal line to the back of your head. And now create some space between the hair elastic and your head and you're gonna flip your ponytail down into the hole. Now take your hair below the ponytail and bring it up over the ponytail. Secure that with a hair elastic and do another topsy tail, looping the hair into the hole and down. This hairstyle alone looks like it took you 20 minutes, but it really took you 5 minutes. Add any hair accessories here. And of course, I added more glitter. And those are the 5-minute 4th of July hairstyles. Leave a comment below which hairstyle is your favorite. You can wear these any day, any time of year, but these are especially perfect for the 4th of July. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.